To do this question, I write it out carefully with the number that I'm going to take away on the bottom. 8 take away 1 is 7, and 6 take away 4 is 2. So the answer's 27. Let's look at how this question works. I've got 68. This is 6 tens and 8 units. And I'm taking away 41, which is 4 tens and 1 unit. 8 units take away 1 unit is 7 units. And 6 tens take away 4 tens is 2 tens. So the answer's 27. For this one, I have 477, and I want to take away 46, which I need to line up carefully. I need to make sure the units go underneath the units, and the tens go underneath the tens. 7 take away 6 is 1, 7 take away 4 is 3, and 4 take away nothing here is 4. The answer's 431. I'm sure you can work out for yourself how this question actually works using this grid here. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Let's look at this more difficult question now. I'm going to show you a method that works very quickly. We have 72 and we want to take away 26. 2 take away 6 gives us a problem. Now you might have heard about borrowing. We're going to take 1 from the 7 to make it 6, and we're going to put that 1 here to make this 12. 12 take away 6 is 6, and 6 take away 2 is 4. Let's look now at how this actually works. The number 72 is 7 tens and 2 units, and the number 26 is 2 tens and 6 units. Now 2 units take away 6 units gives me a problem. So what I'm going to do is go into the tens column here, and I'm going to take 1 10 from this. It leaves me with 6 tens. Now the 1 10 I've taken, add the 2 units, gives me 12 units altogether. 12 units take away 6 units is 6, and 6 tens take away 2 tens is 4 tens. So I have 46. I'm just going to do one more question for you quickly, and then I've got 4 for you to try. 63 take away 49. 3 take away 9 is a problem, so I'm going to borrow from the 6, make that 5, and put the 1 I've borrowed here. 13 take away 9 is 4, and 5 take away 4 is 1. So the answer is 14. If you want, you can use this grid to see how it works for yourself. Here are 4 questions for you then. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play for the answers. Here are the answers. Let's have a look at this question now. 647 take away 285. 7 take away 5 is 2. 4 take away 8 gives us a problem, so I borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes 5 and the 1 I've borrowed goes here. 14 take away 8 is 6, and 5 take away 2 is 3. Let's look at how this works. 647 is 6 hundredths, 4 tenths, and 7 units. 285 is 2 hundredths, 8 tenths, and 5 units. 7 units take away 5 units is 2 units. Now 4 tenths take away 8 tenths gives me a problem, so I'm going to go into my hundreds column. I've got 6 hundredths here, and I'm going to take one of them, leaving me with 5 hundredths. Now the 100 I've taken is 10 tens, of course. I've already got 4 tens here, and I'm now adding on another 10 tens, so I've got a total of 14 tens. 14 tens take away 8 tens is 6 tens, and 5 hundredths take away 2 hundredths is 3 hundredths. So the answer is 362. Here are 2 questions for you to try. The second one is a bit of a challenge. You'll probably find this quite difficult. Try your best at it. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. For the first question, we're doing 679 take away 287. 9 take away 7 is 2. 7 take away 8 gives us a problem, so we borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes 5 and the 1 we've borrowed goes here. We've now got 17 take away 8 and that's 9. And then 5 take away 2 is 3. So the answer to the first one is 392. In the second question, we have 456 take away 298. 6 take away 8 gives us a problem, so we borrow from the 5. 16 take away 8 is 8. We now have 4 take away 9. This is a problem as well, so we borrow from this 4. 14 take away 9 is 5, and 3 take away 2 is 1. So the answer to the second question is 158. Here are 6 questions for you to have a go at. Press pause and try them. When you're ready, press play for the answers. Here are the answers. Now we come to the most difficult type of question. If you want a challenge, press pause and have a go at it. As soon as you press play though, I'm going to be going through it. We have 604 and we want to take away 238. Now 4 take away 8 gives us a problem. I want to borrow, but there's nothing here to borrow from. So instead, I'm going to borrow from the 60. The 60 becomes 59, and the 1 that I've borrowed goes here. I now have 14 take away 8, and that is 6. 9 take away 3 is 6, and 5 take away 2 is 3. So the answer is 366. Just out of interest, a lot of people do this question in a slightly different way. 4 take away 8 is a problem. They want to borrow from here, but there's nothing to borrow from. So we borrow from the 6, making it a 5, and put the 1 here, so that we now have 10. Now we can borrow from the 10 and make it 9, and put the 1 here. 14 take away 8 is 6. 9 take away 3 is 6. And 5 take away 2 is 3. Here are 3 questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers.